In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve 1688 account frozen. I'll walk you through the practical steps that most often get people back in, explain what each one does, and share simple tips so you know what to expect as you go. Start by going to 1688.com and attempting to log in normally. On the login screen or the error page, watch for options like Verify Identity, Security Verification, or Unfreeze Account. If any of these appear, follow the prompts carefully. You'll likely need to confirm your mobile number, enter a one-time SMS code, and complete a CAPTCHA or image challenge. Keep the same browser window open while waiting for codes, and make sure your phone can receive international SMS if you're outside China. If you don't see a verification path at all, that usually means the freeze is deeper, and you should move on to the next method. Next, link and verify with Alipay. Many freezes happen because the account isn't fully verified. On desktop or in the app, log into 1688, open account settings, sometimes shown as Zhanghu Sheizhi or Zhanghao Sheizhi. Then go to My Verification, labeled Woda Renzheng. Choose Verify Now or link to Alipay. Sign in to Alipay when prompted, and complete the identity authentication there. Matching your name, ID details, and phone number across both services helps a lot. This step significantly strengthens your account and is known to restore access in many cases. If you're still stuck, clear cache and try again. This won't unfreeze the account by itself, but it often makes verification prompts reappear. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then try a different browser or device. If you're using the app, switch to desktop and vice versa. These quick resets remove stale sessions that can hide key buttons or pop-ups. If none of that works, contact 1688 customer support through the help center. Log in if you can, open Bangju Zhongxin, and use live chat or submit a ticket. There's also an official customer service hotline in China, and support is primarily Mandarin speaking, so prepare a brief description in Chinese if possible. When you reach out, clearly explain what happened, include your 1688 ID, attach screenshots of any error messages, and list the verification attempts you've already made. Be ready to complete phone verification, provide Alipay or passport-based identity checks, or supply photos of your ID and a handwritten note if requested. Finally, appeal via your broader Alibaba ID. Freezes can be linked across 1688, Taobao, and Alipay. Try logging into those platforms with the same account, complete any verification they prompt, and unfreeze there first. Changes often propagate back to 1688. With patience and these steps, most freezes get resolved. Keep your documents handy, ensure your details match, and you'll be back to sourcing smoothly.